Hello everyone. Welcome to Tech Fix Everything's, the channel dedicated to sharing techniques and repair experiences for all types of printers, toner cartridges, and photocopiers. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the toner cartridge for the Canon LBP2900 printer. Now I'm going to unbox the new Q2612 toner cartridge and remove all the protective seals from it. The correct cartridge model for the Canon LBP2900 printer is Cartridge 303. This cartridge is also commonly known as Q2612A or FX9, since it's compatible with HP toner cartridges that use the same technology such as those for HP LaserJet 1010 and 1020 printers. In addition, cartridge 103 or 703 are also used to refer to the same type of toner cartridge. After removing the two side protective caps, make sure to pull out the seal strip. If you don't remove the seal, the printer won't release any toner, and your prints will come out completely blank. Next, gently lift the printer cover using the recessed grip on the right side, and open it fully to remove the toner cartridge. Next, hold the cartridge handle firmly and gently. Pull it straight out. Now, take the new toner cartridge and gently slide it into the printer along the guide rails until it fits securely in place. If the cartridge is installed correctly, gently close the top cover. If it doesn't close, remove the cartridge and reinstall it properly. Once the cover is closed and the printer starts up, the setup is complete. Now, let's print a test page to check the result. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Fix Everything's for more useful printer repair tips and tutorials.